Hey Google, tell me a joke.
What was George Washington's favorite drink? Liberty. Which national monument is always in a hurry? Mount Rushmore. How do trees access the internet? They log in. The right eye said to the left eye, between you and me, something smells. What's a pig's favorite karate move? A pork chop. I once stayed up all night trying to figure out where the sun went. Then it dawned on me. Who's the king of the pencil case? The ruler. How do birds learn to fly? They just wing it. What's the difference between a guitar and a fish? You can tune a guitar, but you can't tune a fish. How did the frog burn its tongue? It tried to eat a firefly. What kind of music do bunnies like best? Hip hop. What do you call a belt made of watches? A waste of time. What do you call a dog who's good at football? A golden receiver. How did the barber win the race? He knew a shortcut. Your nose cannot be 12 inches long, or else it would be a foot. Why is it okay for an ice company to commit fraud? Their assets are already frozen. What would you call it when a dinosaur gets into a car crash? Tyrannosaurus Rex. Why was the student's report card wet? It was below sea level. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. How do you keep warm in a cold room? You go to the corner, because it's always 90 degrees. What do you say to the anxious carpenter who finishes her work ahead of schedule? You nailed it. What's a dog's favorite action movie? Indiana Bones, Raiders of the Lost Ark. Why don't football players get hot? Because of all the fans. Which animal is the least trustworthy? Cheetahs. A neutron walks into a bar and asks, "How much for a drink?" The bartender says, "For you, no charge." Did you hear about the baby cats who love doing pranks? They were just kidding around. How do you know when the moon is totally broke? It's down to its last quarter. What do you get when you put a vest on an alligator? An investigator.